Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Nicole and this is The Simplistic Home, and today on my channel I am sharing my spring home tour for 2022. Here at The Simplistic Home, I share all things simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting, and a lot of the items that you will be seeing in today's video are secondhand or thrifted pieces. And if you want to know any more details as far as where these pieces came from and how much they were and things along those lines, feel free to check out my Spring 2022 playlist, linked down below in the description box. I have filmed multiple decorate with me videos starting in my dining room. I also decorated my kitchen and my living room as well. So I do like to decorate my main living spaces for spring and basically just all the seasons in general. And I do also decorate with a very earth toned palette, so you will notice that I have a lot of blue tones, a lot of greens, clay colors, and just all the neutral colors in general. I do like to mix and match all of those, and it just makes my home feel very cozy and relaxing for me and my family. I do want to thank you guys for being here today, and I hope you find this video to be very inspirational when it comes to home decorating. I know Easter is right around the corner, and most decorating is probably coming to an end when it comes to spring decorating, but there are a lot of pieces in my home that you can use to decorate all year round, and a lot of these ideas that I have, so I hope it gives you some inspiration for your own home as well. I do really enjoy thrifting furniture, and one of the pieces that I have thrifted here recently is this tufted chair. I found it at a local antique store and it was only $27, which I think is quite the steal. In this video you will see multiple pieces of furniture that are thrifted, and I'll be sure to point those out to you as this video goes on. A lot of the greenery in my home that I used for spring decorating are thrifted pieces, including this faux fern, and then I have a console table, as you can see here, that has a large vase, and the greenery in this vase are thrifted, all of them except for this cherry blossom stem, and I also have a magnolia flower in there as well. Both of those came from Walmart, but the majority of the greenery that you will see in my home in this video are thrifted items. We do enjoy doing a lot of DIY projects in our home. One of them is this fireplace that is a brick fireplace that my husband built from scratch, and another DIY in our living room is this accent wall. If you would like more information on those, like I said, be sure to check out those other spring videos that I have. I do give a lot of the details in my spring living room Decorate With Me. Moving on into the dining room, we do continue to keep that neutral palette that I was talking about at the beginning of this video, but we do like to use a lot of darker pieces in this room. One of the items that I found that was a thrifted piece was that hutch that you see on the back wall. I purchased that last fall and I did refinish it. So it was originally a wood finish, but I really wanted it to be a matte black just to tie in better with my dining room. So I found that on Facebook Marketplace for $60, and it was quite the steal. Another thrift piece in this room is this grid chair. I found this at a local thrift store for $45. It does rock and it also swivels as well, and it is a perfect statement piece for this corner. Another spring related video that I filmed this season was how to decorate a dining room tablescape in 3 different ways for spring, and a lot of these ways you can also use into summer as well, so be sure to check that out. It is in the description box, again on that spring 2022 playlist. Almost every item in this hutch is a thrifted piece except for a few items. That plant that you just saw was from Target for $5, and I have a couple of books in here as well that I have purchased, but the rest of these are all thrifted pieces. This basket full of florals is probably one of my favorite pieces for spring. The basket and all of the florals inside of the basket are all thrifted items that I found throughout the last year. Last but not least is our kitchen. So for spring, I did really want to decorate our kitchen in a very practical way, simply because we are in here every single day cooking pretty much every meal. So I basically just gave the kitchen a little bit of a facelift, if you will, and a refresh. I did incorporate some new bowls, or new to me anyway. They are thrifted, with produce in them that we use all the time. And I did also incorporate a new wicker tray, basically this whole little corner over here. Some of those pieces came from Target, and the wicker tray came from the thrift store as well. So just little simple touches here and there. I do like to decorate with a less is more concept, if you will, so I don't like to go overboard, but I do still really enjoy those touches of each season. Another one of our thrift finds from within the last year is this secretary. We found this on Facebook Marketplace for $125, and I personally think that is such a steal because it is such a beautiful piece and truly just fills the space in our kitchen so well, and it's just a really pretty statement. Again, I want to thank you guys so much for being here today. I hope this video was very inspiring to you and motivating to shop secondhand and just shop budget friendly in general. If you need more tips on how to shop budget friendly, where to shop, and just inspiration on affordable decorating, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here in this space. We do have a lot of DIY projects coming up and just a lot of refreshing inside and outside of our home. So if you are interested in DIYs and just simple home projects, like I said, you don't want to miss out. So be sure to subscribe to my channel if you are not, and also hit that bell notification. That way you are notified every time I post a new video. Like I said, the Simplistic Home is all things simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting. So I want to just thank you guys so much for being here, encourage you to stick around if you are interested in all of those topics, and thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys once again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.